So I will copy these things from this website. I will go into the header, and inside the about us I will give the anchor tag href as about us.html. Since these two documents are in the same folder, you need not to jump inside a folder, so you can simply say about us.html. okay, now if we click on this one, we are forwarded to this about us.html. okay, and we just got nothing there. Yeah, so now I hope that you have just successfully linked this Bootstrap and jQuery. It is my turn to link this Bootstrap and jQuery. So I'll go ahead to my Bootstrap CSS link and my CSS link, and Bootstrap CSS, my CSS, and this font awesome, and I will simply paste them, and I will delete this title. And this title I can make it something like about us. And normally for SEO, search engine optimization, that means rank your website in a good position in search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing, we use this straight line. Normally this straight line symbol in the Mac is above the enter key or above the return key. I think it is in Windows PCs, I'm not pretty sure, but I think in Windows PCs this straight line symbol is above the tab key, which is like, I think it is above the tab key. Just see there. And if you want to get it, you can, I think, just try this out. You can simply go ahead and press shift and the key above the tab key, and it will come up. I'm not sure, but I have seen it, so just try it out, because some keyboards are different in Windows. So here about us, and then we are going to say webdesign.com. About us is what is the content of the website, and the website originally is about the webdesign.com company. Yep. So if you go to a website like something like udemy.com, similarly, and if you go to somewhere like Udemy for Business, here you can see Udemy for Business and the straight line, the destination for workplace learning. So we are going to have this similar to that one. Or rather, you can just say a little description about what our company is or something like that. You can say instead of webdesign.com there. Okay. And also we have linked these JavaScript files and jQuery and our custom.js file. So let's go ahead and paste them right before the body tag. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is obviously to put the header. Okay, because every single web page we are making should have the same consistent header, right? So we are going to copy that header from index.html, and we are going to put this header into our about us page. So I'll go ahead and copy this header. So this is how you can see now how really helpful is these comments. This header opening comment and the closing comment really helped me to figure out where the header is opening and where the header is ending, so that I can directly copy this header. Okay, so that is why I always tell, that is why you should always remember that always put headers when you are working. So I'll go ahead to my body tag and paste this header. Okay, simple indentation is there. If you go ahead and refresh, now you can see these things, but our home tag is bold, and our about us and other tags are just as a faded color. Why is that? The reason is this active link. This list is having an active class, which means the current active page. So I can simply cut this active from home and paste it into about us li, which is after the nav item right here. Okay, active means just make it bold. It is the current active page. Okay, so now home, you can't go to home back because it is a sharp right here. So you can go here and you can simply say index.html. Okay, now if you refresh and go back, you are forwarded to index.html. See, now we can move back and forth within two pages, which is really great.